The Deerma 180-degree lie-flat cordless Vac-Mop is designed to reach under furniture and into tight spaces with its innovative flat design, making it perfect for thorough cleaning. With its edge-to-edge frameless roller brush, this vacuum mop effectively cleans along baseboards and in corners, ensuring no area is left untouched. The self-developed FDWS system ensures that the roller brush stays clean by spraying water and collecting dirt simultaneously, maintaining optimal cleaning performance. Thanks to its lightweight and self-propelled design, the Deerma Vac-Mop is easy to maneuver, even on stairs, and provides real-time updates through its LED screen and voice prompts. The dual-sided self-cleaning function allows for effortless maintenance, automatically cleaning the brush roll and preventing pet hair entanglement, which is ideal for pet owners. This cordless Vac-Mop can vacuum and wash at the same time, efficiently handling both wet and dry messes across various hard floor surfaces, reducing cleaning time significantly.